John Bridge, I'm an architect. Welcome to the studio. Today we're going to talk about regeneration. This is our passion for urban renewal, and in particular Preston and Lancashire is our focus to date. This has come through a passion of seeing buildings being regenerated over the years, as well as being locally connected to and being from Preston. We would really like to see the city become stronger through bringing these old buildings back to life and utilising new sites,
such as the plough bar on Friargate with the feature well that they have uncovered and the unique interior design, to the most recent Baker Street bar, along with the high-class restaurant Bistro Pierre, which is great because it brings back a new use to a former disused church.
Over the years we're building up a nice rapport now of projects of our own. One of the projects that we're doing at the moment is a craft and pizzeria bar on Friargate called the Uptown Pony Club, as well as the likes of over in Liverpool in the Baltic Quarter. We're doing a unique food, drink and gin and whiskey bar offer in the courtyard of the old listed Keynes Brewery site. To help us talk to developers and authorities around regeneration, we developed a Preston model.
This is a laser cut and 3D printed model which spans from the docks to London Road, the UCLan campus and the River Ribble. And it's great to show the city living strategy by Preston City Council through means of augmented reality. That tool was developed by James White over at Boost Reality. The model was also really useful to point out where the Miley Tunnel site was, because I got shortlisted for that for an RIBA competition called Forgotten Spaces. The design was for a unique living unit for £20,000 for the homeless.
It's also useful to talk about problems such as the new design for the tram bridge, which started out as a bit of an April Fool's idea I did for a Bifrost Rainbow Bridge, but that's actually then generated a real passion to understand what the solution needs to be to design a realistic bridge. Thank you for watching. We hope you share our passion for regeneration. See you in the studio.